हेलो एवरीबडी, वेलकम टू jurycentral.com ऑनलाइन क्लासेस फॉर लॉ एग्जाम्स। तो आज मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाली हूँ दी सिलेबस ऑफ असिस्टेंट प्रोसिक्यूटिंग ऑफिसर प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन। और इसके साथ साथ मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ दैट दी लास्ट डेट फॉर योर एप्लीकेशन हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड टिल 21 अक्टूबर। सो दिस इज द नोटिस। ये उत्तराखंड लोक सेवा आयोग का नया नोटिस है जिसमें ये कहा गया है कि अर्लियर आपका जो लास्ट डेट था वो था टिल 23 अगस्त। तो उसके बाद इन्होंने इसे बढ़ा दिया और बढ़ाने के बाद अभी जो इसका जो नया डेट है इट इज 21 अक्टूबर 2021। एंड लेट मी टेल यू हाउ यू शैल अप्लाई फॉर दिस पोस्ट। सो यू नीड टू विजिट टू देयर वेबसाइट कॉल्ड ukpsc.gov.in। यहाँ पे जाके आपको ये आप रिक्रूटमेंट यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे बिल्कुल होम पेज पे ही आपको दिख जाएगा असिस्टेंट प्रोसिक्यूटिंग ऑफिसर एग्जामिनेशन 2021। इसको क्लिक करने के बाद आपको ये क्लिक करना है ऑनलाइन आवेदन करने हेतु, यहाँ क्लिक करें। सो एज सून एज यू विल क्लिक दिस लिंक, सो यू विल बी रिडायरेक्टेड टू दिस पेज and here you need to click apply now, and after clicking it you need to mention all your personal details for registration। और registration के बाद ही आपको सीधा आप अपने पोर्टल में रहेंगे और वहीं से ही आपको आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म सबमिट करना है। लेट मी टेल यू, अगर आप जनरल कैटेगरी से बिलोंग करते हैं तो योर एप्लीकेशन फी विल बी ओनली 176, and if you belong from other reserved category then it will something around 26 rupees to 58। तो इस मार्जिन के बिटवीन ही होगा, एग्जैक्टली मैं नहीं कह सकती हूँ, लेकिन हाँ जनरल के लिए तो इट इज 176। एंड नाउ आई शैल डिस्कस विथ यू दी सिलेबस फॉर दिस एग्जामिनेशन। और भी एक बात बता दूँ कि इनका जो एग्जाम डेट है वो अभी तक नोटिफाई किया नहीं है, बिकॉज अभी भी इसके जो फॉर्म है ये ओपन है अप्लाई के लिए। तो अगर आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हो आई विल शेयर द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो। सो लेट अस सी द सिलेबस। So this is the syllabus for this prelims examination, and let me tell you there are two papers. Paper 1 deals with general studies and there will be other paper which will be for law subjects. So paper 1 जो रहेगा आपका, इसका maximum marks रहेगा 100 and the total time is 1.5 hours. And there will be 100 number of questions based on general knowledge and which will be in objective type. So let me discuss with you the topics from which your questions will be there. So first come general science, current events like national and international, history of India and Indian national movement and polity। तो ये जो इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट और हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया है, ये दो टॉपिक जो है वो आपकी हिस्ट्री के अंदर आएगा। देन इंडियन पॉलिटी, देन जियोग्राफी एंड इंडियन इकोनॉमी। एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट FGH पैरा, सो लेट मी टेल यू Art, culture and traditions of Uttarakhand only, revenue, police system and general administrative setup in Uttarakhand। H, forest, crops, tribes, mountains, rivers of Uttarakhand। तो ये जो तीन जो आपके जो पैरा रहेंगे FGH, ये तीन टॉपिक से जो भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे इट विल बी बेस्ड फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ उत्तराखंड। एंड नाउ विल डील विथ यू each and every topic and what are the kinds of questions that you may expect this year. Questions on general science will cover elementary knowledge and understanding of science, including matters of everyday observation and experiences, basic laws of science, questions pertaining to environmental factors, natural resources, food crops, biosphere, human disease, flora and fauna, national parks and wildlife of Uttarakhand will also be included. So this will be your topic under general science. And let me tell you, this question, the science question will be for of elementary level, that means जो 10th level के जो science के questions हैं वो रहेंगे आपका इस बार। current events like day to day happenings in India and around the world which will also include significant events including sports। so sports से भी आपका question रहेगा and then day to day happening in India and around the world, so उससे related भी आपके current affairs रहेंगे। History of India, like emphasis should be based on broad understanding of social, economic and political aspects of India. Then Indian national movement. So in history of India, the questions you may see will be based on like on Mughal Empire or based on the Maurya Empire. So like such kind of questions will be there in history of India. So this is nothing new. I mean, this type of questions are very much common in almost all examinations, entrance examinations, if I say. Indian national movement like freedom movement, growth of nationalism and attainment of independence. So Indian national movement से आपके क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे जो कि पर्टिकुलरली बेस्ड होंगे फ्रॉम फ्रीडम मूवमेंट एंड ग्रोथ ऑफ नेशनलिज्म एंड अटेनमेंट ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस. तो प्री इंडिपेंडेंस के जितने भी टॉपिक्स हैं तो वो आपको कवर करने हैं अंडर इंडियन नेशनल मूवमेंट एंड इंडियन पॉलिटी. क्वेश्चंस विल टेस्ट नॉलेज ऑफ कंट्रीज पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम इंक्लूडिंग पंचायती राज एंड कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट. जियोग्राफी एंड इंडियन इकोनॉमी ओनली जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस सब्जेक्ट विल बी एक्सपेक्टेड. तो जियोग्राफी में ज़्यादा घबराने की बात नहीं है बिकॉज क्वेश्चंस विल बी बेस्ड ऑन ओनली जनरल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Culture and traditions of Uttarakhand, like the candidate should be aware of the culture and traditions, especially of tribes of Uttarakhand. So you need to be aware of all kinds of tribes which are found in the state of Uttarakhand, and you shall be very much thorough with it. Revenue, police and special administrative system of Uttarakhand, power and functions of Patwadis, then Kanungos and Naib Tehsildars, etc. Panchayati Raj system, one panchayat system. Candidates should be aware of types of forests, rotation of crops, cultural festivals, prominent holy places, glaciers and mountains, natural resources and calamities, rivers and lakes, as well as prominent personalities of Uttarakhand. So these topics are very much important. Then I'll discuss with you the paper 2, which is law subject. The maximum marks are 100. The maximum marks is 100 and the time is 1.5 hours, and again you will be having questions which will be a total number of 100 and it will be based on objective type. So ये जो इनका जो syllabus है, if I talk about law subject, it is very much specific because already it is outlined in the syllabus like how many questions you may get from each of these topics. So like if I talk about Indian Penal Code, there will be total number of 35 questions. The Indian Evidence Act, there will be total number of 25 questions. The Code of Criminal Procedure, there will be total number of 25 questions. Uttarakhand Police Act, very important topic. I have already discussed with you the previous year question paper of UKPSC APO 2016. मैंने already एक session किया था UKPSC 2016 and I hope you all have watched it. तो मैंने उस पेपर में मैंने आपको बता दिया कि किस किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं प्रीवियस ईयर में, और जो भी एक्सपेक्टेड है आई विल टेक अनदर सेशन on that topics, like what kind of what are the other topics you need to focus from this examination point of view. So इससे रहेंगे आपके 15 questions and there will be total number of 100 questions. और इंडियन पेनल कोड की बात करें तो आपको कौन कौन से टॉपिक में फोकस करना चाहिए. सो द टॉपिक्स आर फर्स्ट इज जनरल एक्सेप्शन, सेकंड इज जॉइंट एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव लायबिलिटी, थर्ड अबैटमेंट, फोर्थ क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी, फिफ्थ ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट पब्लिक ट्रैंक्विलिटी, सिक्स ऑफेंसेस अगेंस्ट ह्यूमन बॉडी, culpable homicide and murder including causing death by negligence like 304A, hurt and grievous hurt, wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement, criminal force and assault. Then kidnapping and abduction, offenses against women like sexual offenses, offense relating to marriage like 497 or 494, cruelty by husband or relatives of husband like 498A, insult to modesty of a woman like 354 IPC and dowry death 304B, offenses against property like theft 378, extortion, dacoity 391, robbery 390, criminal misappropriation 405, 420, mischief and criminal trespass, and 9 deals with attempt to commit offences like section 511 of IPC. So I hope you understood कि ये सारे जो टॉपिक्स है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और ज़्यादा कुछ डिफिकल्ट नहीं है because I have done many sessions on many topics and you have been preparing with me for a long time, so I do not think that it would be very difficult for you to prepare for this examination. And now there will be questions from Indian Evidence Act like relevancy of facts, definition relevancy of facts like section 6 admission and confession like 17 and 24 to 27, then dying declaration 32, opinion of third persons when relevant, facts which need not be proved, oral and documentary evidence, and then like 60 and 61, and exclusion of oral by documentary evidence, public documents and presumptions as to documents, production and effect of evidence, burden of proof like 101, estoppel, witness, including their examinations like 154, 155 and so on. Then criminal procedure code. Constitution, powers and jurisdiction of criminal courts, arrest, power to compel appearance of persons and production of things like section 91 CRPC, maintenance or 41 CRPC, maintenance of public order and public tranquility like section 107 CRPC, initiation and commencement of proceedings before magistrate, framing of charges like 216, trial of cases, judgment, evidence in enquiries and trials, bail and bail bonds like 436, 437, 438, 439 and so on, reference, revision and appeal. Then Uttarakhand Police Act, these are the topics. This is actually a local law and there will be a total number of 15 questions from this topic, and this topic is this subject is very much important. Powers, function and duties of various police officers under the aforesaid Police Act, duties of officer in charge of police station regarding reports made at police station, investigation, arrest, bail and custody and execution of processes, powers, function and duties of public prosecutors and their subordinates. Because this examination is for appointment of public prosecutors, so there is a reason why powers, you need to be aware of the power and functions and duties of public prosecutors, because one question is a must from this topic. Then I'll talk with you about the main examination. Again, for your main examination, there will be a total number of let me tell you, 1. Then there will be a language paper called paper 2. Then paper 3. Paper 4. So there will be a total number of 4 papers in your mains examination. So let us, if I talk about your overall preparation, like how should you prepare, I would definitely suggest you to prepare for the mains topic from now only, because after the prelims examination you will be having only less time to prepare for the main examination, and also the dates are not notified for this examination, but most probably the examination is going to be conducted in the month of November. So it is totally it is actually what I say, that it is very much fixed that this examination will be conducted in the month of November. So I would suggest you to focus on all these topics. If you are preparing for prelim examination, you should also focus on the main examination. So let me tell you what are the kinds of questions. So there will be, if I talk about paper 1 general knowledge, there will be a maximum marks of 100 and time will be 3 hours, and topics will be general science, natural resources, environment, current events, history of India and Indian national movement, geography, Indian polity, almost same. Then there will be questions based on computer. Then a paper 2 will be general Hindi, so it's a language paper, and again you will be having total marks of 100 and the time allotted is 3 hours, and this will be the topic for your Hindi, like निबंध, like essay 300 शब्दों में, गद्यांश का भावार्थ, रेखांकित वाक्य बंधों का आशय, गद्यांश का सटीक शीर्षक, संक्षेपण, सारांश, टिप्पण, पर्यायवाची विलोम लाइक एंटोनिम, सिनोनिम, सम्मोचित भिन्नार्थक शब्द, विराम चिन्हों की शुद्धि, देन हिंदी से अंग्रेजी और अंग्रेजी से हिंदी अनुवाद. So this is important. There will be there will be a question on this topic of total marks of 10, upsar, patre and others. And if I talk about paper 3 law subject, again it will be the maximum marks allotted is 100 and the time allotted is 3 hours. And your topic will be from criminal law and procedure with Police Act. So this will be a topic, again same, Indian Penal Code, CRPC and Police, Uttarakhand Police Act. So there will be only 3 topics, IPC, CRPC and Uttarakhand Police Act, and paper 4 will be the Evidence Act. It will be based on Evidence Act, and it will be your law paper 2, again maximum marks 100 and time allotted is 3 hours. And the topic is again the same, relevancy of facts, facts which need not be proved, production and effect of evidence, and that's it. So I hope you all have understood about the syllabus of your upcoming public prosecutor exam for the state of Uttarakhand. तो उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद भी आई होगी. अगर आप लोगों को ये चीज़ भी आप लोग को बता दूं कि यहाँ पे जो सामान्य अध्ययन और सामान्य हिंदी का जो टॉपिक रहेगा मेन सब्जेक्ट में, लाइक आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस विथ यू द टॉपिक्स विच आर बेस्ड ऑन लैंग्वेज, आई मीन द पेपर विच विल बी बेस्ड ऑन लैंग्वेज, इट इज actually of qualifying, I mean you just need to qualify this paper. न्यूनतम 35 अंक प्राप्त करने होंगे. So in the language paper you need to secure only 35 marks to get qualified. So this paper out of qualifying nature. और जो आपके जो लाइक जो लॉ पेपर रहेंगे वो मैंने आपको बता दिया, लाइक वट एवर यू हैव स्टडीड इन लॉ स्कूल डेज दैट विल बी योर सब्जेक्ट. तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलिएगा. और कोई कमेंट्स, अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो आप कमेंट्स के द्वारा नीचे आप अपने लाइक यू कैन लीव योर आई मीन क्वेरीज एंड आई वुड ट्राई टू सॉल्व योर क्वेश्चंस as soon as possible. So this is the end of your session and I hope you all have liked it. Do not forget to give a like, share, subscribe to the channel. So till we meet the next time, thank you and have a nice day.